Here comes another powerhouse workgroup. Following the Figure 02 team's entry into BMW factories, Chinese humanoid robot company MagicLab has just announced its humanoid robot product, MagicBot, joining the factory production line for various task training. In the video released, multiple MagicBot robots are seen performing tasks like material handling, part picking, product inspection, and barcode scanning, working together in small-scale collaboration. MagicBot features 40 degrees of freedom, with its arms capable of lifting up to 20 kilograms and the whole body able to carry up to 40 kilograms, from last year's coffee art. First flip attempt and daily household chores to now landing in actual factories, MagicBot is constantly evolving. It's reported that MagicLab will officially launch the next generation of MagicBot humanoid robots in the first quarter of 2025, with small-scale mass production and rapid application in industrial and commercial service scenarios. Sunrisemetal, a leading aluminum alloy die casting manufacturer, provides high-precision parts for humanoid robots. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content about robots and aluminum die casting.